Now we are going to talk about how you can use Agent ID and Office ID using our IDX pages. When you log into your website, this is the page that you will see. On the left side, you will see IDX pages. Hover over it and click on Add New. First, you have to give the title. It could be anything. I'm just writing it Agent, and now at the bottom, you will see this section IDX Data Filters. From here, you will see on the right side, you will see choose criteria. Click on it, and we have multiple options here. From here, we will look for listing agent IDs. This is the option we have here. I will click on it. Now you will add your agent ID here. So let's say this is my agent ID. What I will do is after adding it, I will click on update this filter, and now I will click on publish. Now this page has been published, and when you click on view IDX page, you will be able to see your agent ID, that you will be able to see your listings. Same case with Office ID. What you will do here is, let me remove that one. You will again click on choose criteria, and you will search for listing Office IDs. You will come here, and then you will add your agent ID, and then you will click on update this filter. Let's say you are covering Office ID, but you want to show a specific listings of your Office ID. For that, what you will do is you will narrow it down by using different filters that we have. Let's say you only want to cover, if I come here, like if I click on property types, you only want to show single family, then you will click on it, and then you will click on update this filter. Now it will show only single family listings that your Office ID has. Well, that's all for now. Thank you for watching.